push that piece, push it down the bottom. That's it, now roll it.
Rennick's behind you.
That's it, Becky. Keep going, right. Keep rolling it like that. Perfect. Okay, don't push the man on. Okay, you're done. Lift the whole thing up. No, not with the rope. You'll pull it off. Lift up the cone itself. That's it. Go, lift it up. There you go. Now you can hold it.
Get it back for him. Okay, come here. Hold it.
Rennick, come on the other side.
Wow. Look at that. And then you're going to let go. And you roll it.
Well, that's a good idea. Beckett. So use a string and grab it. Rennick, look up. Let me see your face. Roll it around, Beckett.
That's it. You don't need to push it in, Beckett. That's good.
Not so close. Cool. You have the plastic bags to put them in? There's one under those.
Roll it over.
Cheese.
Keep going.
Let him do it, Brian. You want to make him make it?
Really? Okay, that's it, really. Pick it up carefully. Okay, put it right.